Washington State is the best place score in the U.S. for cherry farming. It leads the nation in cherry production due to its ideal climate, high yields, and strong market demand. Why choose Washington? Perfect climate. Warm summers and cold winters create the best conditions for cherries. High yields. Advanced farming techniques result in more fruit per tree. Strong market demand. Local and export markets offer premium prices. Prices. 1. Cost of establishing a cherry orchard. Starting a cherry orchard requires an initial investment in trees, irrigation, and maintenance. The estimated costs are: cherry saplings. Popular varieties like Bing, Rainier, and Chelan cost $10 to $20 per tree. With 400 to 500 trees per hectare, total cost $4,000 to $10,000. Irrigation system. Drip irrigation or sprinklers cost $5,000 to $10,000. Fertilizers and pesticides. Yearly cost $3,000 to $7,000. Labor costs. Pruning, maintenance, and harvesting require $8,000 to $15,000 per year. Total initial investment $20,000, $50,000. Asimia baso. 2. Cherry yield per hectare. Each tree produces 25 to 35 kilograms of cherries. Total yield per hectare 10 to 15 tons. 3. Market price and revenue. Cherries sell at high prices, both domestically and internationally. U.S. market, supermarkets, local sales. Price, $5 to $10 per kilogram, 12 tons of cherries, $60,000 to $120,000 revenue. Export market, Canada, Europe, Asia. Price, $8 to $15 per kilogram, 12 tons of cherries, $80,000, $180,000 revenue. 4. Net profit calculation. Total revenue, $60,000, $180,000. Total costs, $20,000, $50,000. Net profit, $40,000 to $130,000 per year. Musky. Conclusion. With the right cherry variety, efficient farming, and export focus, a 1 hectare cherry orchard in Washington can generate a net profit of $40,000 to $130,000 annually. If scaled up, this business could bring in millions in revenue.